So have you been wanting to hire a phone hacker? Then you came to the right place. We are professional hackers with many years of experience in phone hacking services. Here we can help you hack any phone, be it an Android or iPhone, giving you access to all applications on that phone. You will be having a complete clone of your target's phone, and they will never know you are spying or monitoring them. For more information on how to hire a phone hacker, contact us now with the information below. WhatsApp number +1 904 799 7677. Telegram @ProHackers 2014. A cell phone monitoring allows you to access critical information from a target device, including text messages, SMS, and call logs, social media activity and app usage, multimedia files like photos and videos, web browsing history, and email activity. So let us know today if you are interested.